Hello everyone, this is Cam. Today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the starting problem on a Bentley Continental. So this is a GTC, the convertible version. So what's happening is I can start the car, but it cuts off by itself. As you can see, the power came on. So the car started, but no power. So it basically cuts off by itself. So it's actually an issue with the battery. I've actually changed the battery on this, but probably something draining the battery. So in this situation, how you're gonna start the car? Obviously release the bonnet catch and everything. So pop the bonnet up, which is on that side, and I'll show you how to jump start the car. Basically the battery is in the boot, so the front, if you connect the jump start from the front, there is a connection, tiny little connection, but it doesn't stay on, so it's not powerful enough. So obviously I can't open the boot or anything because of the battery. So I'll show you step by step how to do it. So before I do that, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, click the bell icon next to it, and please do that now. I'll see you guys in 15 seconds. So welcome back everyone. So as you can see, there is you can't really see any connections to connect the booster. So all you need to do, connect the negative to the body of the car, anywhere, any metal, and the other bit, basically the connection to it, as you can see, there is two little screws there. So you have to connect to the left one, so driver side one. So obviously the booster can't reach there, so you have to get one of these screwdriver. So connect it there, and obviously connect the other bit of the booster to it, and now you will be able to open the boot. So if I do this now, should open the boot now. Right, so I've managed to open the boot. So you have to take the key out from the ignition and connect it right there. Let me just quickly get the light out. There you go. So that's the battery right there. To connect it there, the minus, and then the plus from the other side. Just get a bit close to it, mate. So, yeah. And then the other end goes to the one of these, yeah. Okay. Which is quite easy. Got it. Alright, let me just go and try and start the car then. There you go, hold this for me. Okay, so let me just get in and try to start the car. There you go. So obviously it started now, but it might go off, so it's better off going for a drive. And problem with these convertibles is if the battery doesn't work, the roof, the window doesn't go down. So normally that's how you start it basically. So you need to go and get it checked by a mechanic or something if your battery keeps draining, or you might need to change the battery. So thank you very much guys for watching my video, and make sure please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to it to get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you.